Hello, everybody. Thinking Big, Acting Small by Jewel Palacios Cordova Inspiring Teacher Program. Like you know, English Conversation Club is the activity that began a young student in a big tourist guide. So for that reason, I say the next. The direct relationship that exists between Comuna 13 and the violence, step by step, have remained behind thanks to the efforts of his community, especially the young artists without a doubt the government. Nowadays, have turned into a totally tourist site and it really worth the pain. As we all know, Comuna 13 in Medellin is in the process of growth, and from the word they made an opportunity through the tourist activity. In the Cristobal Colon Educational Institution, 80% of students come from Comuna 13. So today, I see the necessity to create a conversation club in English applied tourism. With this group, I intend to increase the knowledge of English, specific English for tourist activity, in a way spontaneously in a extracurricular hour, and it can be the financial support of our student in the immediate future. So, British English, you are invited.